In this video, let's understand how to configure TDS and TCS in Kitaabh to ensure accurate tax deduction and collection as per statutory compliance. Here, you can enable and configure both TDS and TCS based on your business requirements. Start by enabling the TDS option. Enter your tax deduction and collection account number, also known as TAN. Next, select the appropriate deductor type, such as individual, firm, company, or LLP, based on your business constitution. You can also specify the deductor branch or division if applicable. Now, enter the details of the authorized person responsible for TDS compliance. Provide the following: name, designation, PAN number, address details, contact number, and email ID. These details will be used for TDS returns and statutory reporting. Now, move to the TCS tab and enable the TCS option. Once you enable TCS, all the TDS details that you have already entered, including TAN, deductor type, and authorized person details, will be automatically filled in. After verifying the details, click on Save to apply the settings.